You're not going to be able to open this vehicle. It's too difficult. Let's see here. I opened it, but then I closed it again. Yeah, I can see it. You got to angle the stick and get the pressure to push the button forward. It's a little tricky. Got it. The electric button doesn't work when the alarm's going off. I'm 100% sure of that. You got to come over here and get them. You got to reach through. Hurry before the cops get here.
There's already two actually here. Start here already. There's two of them in here.
Too late.